Today I'm Josh from Joe and Joshua's History of Some Reviews. I've been meaning to review this with Joe for a while. Just looked over, saw, I'm like, I gotta get these boxes out of my room. I've gotta get these shoes out. We are reviewing Vitalized by Ortholite. If you can hit that subscribe button, we need 1,000 subscribers due to new YouTube rules, and otherwise we're gonna lose our monetization. And Joe and I actually do make quite a bit of money on this channel. And if you could share it on your Facebook and tell your friends and family to subscribe as well, that'd be awesome. Thank you. So continuing the review, we're looking at Sonoma. Goods for life. And they don't mean the things on their anyway. So, here you have the box. Sonoma. They have Vitalized by Ortholite, just like the St. John's Bays boots. It protects against odor. Because I guess people don't wash their feet. But anyway. Protects against odor, bacteria, and it's cushiony. It's cushiony like a cushion. It's cushion like a cushion, like, you know, gelling like a fountain. Okay, anyway, that's really old. These ones cost, I believe my mother said, $65. I have not worn them, and these look really, really, really nice. They're kind of like in the style of the Negan. Yeah, the same sole. Get the little cross of Christ, but it's not made by St. John's Bay, but it still uses Ortholite. Maybe they're like a subsidiary, or maybe they're just a completely different company as well. These are like Indiana Jones boots, or dress boots, or you want to look fancy even though you're not going to spend $100,000 on dress shoes with some stupid name thrown on it, like businessmen do. These, you can trick your colleagues with these, unless they get up close and, oh my god. It smells so good. It smells so good, and I love, like, the design. I'm trying to get that light to show the design off. If I can get, there we go. I'm just going to get close. Like, just look at the design. It's so, like, ancient. It's like Tarzan and Jane, when Jane's wearing those boots in the Tarzan cartoon. I don't know, why am I referencing a Disney cartoon? Anyway, beside the point. It's not the dang point. It's just beautiful. They have, like, little belt buckles that the laces go through. Only bad thing I can say about this is that eventually the belt buckle will probably rip off one at a time, or the shoelace will start to mend around here and then rip off when you're tying it. I love this thing right here, the little flap. There's like a piece of leather right there, and I believe these are pleather variant because they're really shiny. I don't know. I don't have like there's no information box on the box as to what this is, if it's genuine leather or not. But I don't think it is. It doesn't feel tough like leather. It probably could be. I believe for every like leather shoe they have a pleather variant. And I'm just feeling like, oh, this might be leather. This actually might be leather. If anyone knows if this is leather or not, because you have like the same pair of shoes, just tell me in the comments. I'm really curious now. Cushion footbed is what this thing says. Simonia, goods for life, and rest, recovery, rebound, relaxation. That's our motto. I love these. I don't know what it is about shoes that I love this part for. I mean, it's like, what, you're going to dangle it from like a light post or a power line, like lots of people. I mean, some people still do it. It's a trend that's died down in Indiana a whole bunch. But just look at the detail on this thing. Like, it's just, these boots are gorgeous. I just don't want to wear them because I don't want to wear them out and I don't want to get them dirty. I just love staring at them or looking at the box. I'm just one of those weird people that loves to buy stuff and just stare, like, appreciate it for what it is. And I really think these are awesome boots. I mean, I've looked at them in the box. I just haven't reviewed it. I'm just so afraid. I love new stuff. I love new smell. You want to get these smelly from walking around. I mean, on the outside, not the inside. Because, I mean, most people wash their feet. I mean, God. Anyway, but, like, if you're going to wear fancy shoes like this, I will give some suggestions. Do not, like, put your feet in. Like, if you've been exercising and you go from one shoe to another, do not immediately go from your exercising shoes with your smelly ass feet and your smelly socks and shit like that. I'm one of those people that can exercise and doesn't have smelly feet. But anyway, that's probably the damn point. Do not go from them and then later on, or 5 minutes later, the same day, go and put like these boots on or fancy shoes. Because that's how you ruin them. That's how you get odor and bacteria smelling. Like, I'm going to do a separate video on this as well, but, like, just don't ruin beautiful products like this. Go put on those cheap $20 or $10 pair Walmart generic exercising shoes. I mean, keep them separate from your fancy clothing. You want it to last. Your fancy footwear. You want it to last. I love these things. I think they're great. I'm going to do that video on fancy footwear and how to reserve the niceness. Hit that subscribe button, share, like, comment, put on Facebook, tell people to watch this, and most importantly of all, wash your feet.